professor. My name is Maria Mory. I am programming one student from section 2, and today I will be presenting the code for the practice number 4. First, we can see the login screen. We have one file to enter the username and another for the internet password. In this case, we use Maria and 1234 as the default login information. After logging in, we can see an options menu on the left side. This menu allows us to check the financial summary, make transfers, send mobile payments, perform currency exchange operations, make deposit and withdrawals, and review the transaction history. In the financial summary, we can select between the two types of accounts and see their balance. Here, we can see both available amounts. To make a transfer, we enter the destination account, the beneficiary's name, the amount, and the description, and processing the transfer. The change is reflected in the initial account balance. The mobile payment option works in a similar way. In the currency exchange section, for example, we can sell dollars. In this case, we want to sell $10 and we process the operations. And the result is also reflected in our account balance. In the deposits and withdrawals section, we can select an account and perform an operation. For example, we want to withdraw $30. We process the operation and the new balance is displayed. Finally, in the transaction history, we can see all the operations with their corresponding information. Then we log out. The cuenta bancaria class represents a bank account. It contains attributes such as the account number, the account holder's name, the balance, and the account type. It has a default constructor and a parameterized constructor that validates the initial balance. The class also includes getters, setters, and methods to deposit and withdraw money. Where is here it is. The get moneda method identifies whether the account uses bolivars or US dollars. Finally, the cargar datos and mostrar datos methods use dialog boxes to enter and display the account information. The movimiento class represents a banking transaction. It stores the date, transaction type, source account, destination account, description, amount, and currency. Its constructor receives all this information when a transaction is created. This class only contains getter methods because a transaction should not be modified after it has been registered. The demonstración práctica class is used to demonstrate the main concepts of the project. Its main method creates different bank accounts objects using both constructors. It also allows the user to enter account information, make deposits and withdrawals, and mm, display display their results. In addition, this class uses a fixed size array and array list to store and process several bank accounts. The Banco Servicio class contains the main banking operations of the program. It manages bank accounts, transaction records, telephone numbers, and accounts associated with mobile payments. It includes methods for the user to and authentication, account searches, transfers, mobile payments, deposits, withdrawals, and buying or selling US dollars. It also validates the information and throws exceptions when an amount is invalid or the balance is insufficient. Every successful operations create a movimiento object and stores in a array list. Then we have the form logging class. This class is the first window of the application. It allows the user to enter a username and password, and if the information is correct, it opens the main banking window. Otherwise, it displays an error message. The form Banco class is the main window of the application. It displays the user's account, balance, and financial information. It buttons open the transfers, mobile payment, currency exchange, deposit, withdrawal, and transaction window. The form transferencia class allows the user to transfer money to another bank account. It collects the destination account, beneficiary, amount, and description. It also validates the information and displays a confirmation or error message. The class form Pagomóvil class is used to send money using a telephone number. The user selects an account and enters the beneficiary, amount, and payment description. It also includes a button to clear all the files. The form Divisas clause allows the user to buy or sell US dollars. It calculates the equivalent amount in bolivars using the exchange rate and updates the account balance after the operation. The form Operaciones class manages deposit and withdrawals. The user selects an account, chooses an operations, and enter an amount. After processing it, the window updates and displays the new balance. The form Movimientos class displays all banking transactions in a table. It shows the date, transaction type, source account, destination account, description, amount, and currency. The VistaUtil class contains support methods for the graphical interface. It applies the number style, converts text into valid amounts, formats money, and displays error message.